fire it up. Turn off the radio there. Need to go get some gas. Kind of a cold start here. We're in a showroom that's climate controlled. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. We're going to go panel by panel, engine bay, interior, and just kind of look at the overall condition of the car. Date code on all 4 tires, 2016. No PPF on this car anywhere. So looking at this front right wheel, you're going to see kind of a defect in them. You're going to see the spider cracking on that finish all throughout. As far as curb rash goes, I don't see any. And the overall finish is really shiny, but you are going to have that little defect. Looking at the calipers, you can see the clear coat's chipping away. This is one of the nicest 944s I've seen though in a long time. It is really, really clean. So you're going to see a gash right there. You do have PPF actually here on that little edge, but you don't have like a full front clip, so just a little accent piece here and a little one there. The rest of that fender looks good. A little scratch there. You can see the reflection of that light. Really, really nice. That looks good. Edge is nice and clean here. Now you do have a lot of little rock impacts right there on that edge. And of course you have the film here protecting it. That has aged, it's pretty old. You're gonna see a lot of dirt buildup around the edge there. Handle looks good. When you look at this trim, when it was painted, you can see it bubbled pretty bad. Kind of all the way down, and little chips and things. Luckily it's just in that trim piece because the actual paint looks really nice. Got a small chip here. This color hides it well, and then you have a little film right there protecting that little edge. Once again, lots of spider cracking on the finish. But looking at the wheel overall, looks good. Getting in there, you're gonna see typical age and flaws. See a little scratch there. That is a gash that does catch my nail. The rest of that looks good. Looking at the alignment around the hood, you have a pretty big gap here. That's nice and clean. This side is a little bit larger, so I'm sure some of that can be kind of finagled to get a little tighter. That looks good. You're gonna see little dimples in the paint. So if you get close, you see those little dimples just from the respray, but it's pretty subtle. You can see this is kind of falling off. The trim around it needs to be kind of glued back in there, imagine, or snapped back in. Looks good. Finish on that paint is beautiful though. Very impressed with that. Lights look good. This had to be pretty recent and or just low mile with this paint, because I'm not seeing a bunch of rock chips. I mean, there's a couple tiny ones, but it's very minimal. This car's pretty low. Getting underneath here. Looks like it's missing some sort of splitter. You can see that. Overall looks good. Let's kind of peek in here. Try to get underneath as best as I can. I know it's dark. Front end looks good though. looks nice. Same finish on the wheel, the little spider cracking. I don't see any rash though. Got some chips down here. That trim piece actually looks a little bit better than the other side, but still some kind of orange peel and texture in it. Little spot there in the paint, very subtle. Looking at the edge, if you get close, there are some chips along that edge. You have one right here. This is pretty old PPF. You can see it kind of cracking. Got a little bit larger chip right there. Got one right there. The rest of that looks good. No curb rash. Beautiful glass here. Of course, in the corners, you're going to see some little factory defects over those years. This is amazing condition. That looks so good. The graphic on the back looks good. I do see some gashes here, some little chips. If you get up close, you can see that. The arrow piece looks nice. Little dent there on this little foam piece. Small little chips, like I said. For the most part, though, looks good. Let's try to peek underneath here. Muffler looks awesome. You can see that brand. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Beautiful, beautiful color. Absolutely gorgeous in here. One of the cleanest I've seen. That looks really nice. Checking out the door panel here on the upper section. I don't see any cracks or any imperfections there. Speaker cover looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Checking out the grab handle. That looks perfect. Same here on the bottom. That is a beautiful, beautiful door panel. Scanning through the jamb. That's in great condition. A little bit of scuffs here and there on this trim. All the stickers in here. Looks amazing. Looking at the seat, you do have some discoloration right here. Not as vibrant as this. And it is a little bit harder. Just typical wear from sitting though, I'm sure. And the camera's kind of making it look a little worse than it is in person, in my opinion. Typical wrinkles, but otherwise that seat looks beautiful. Here in the steering wheel. Buttons look good. I do see some markings right here. Looking at the top of the wheel, I can see some wear and discoloration, little scuffs. But for the most part, that's in great condition. I don't see any cracks over here. Little wear mark on that edge. Plastics look really nice though. Gauges are clean. Vents over here look good. This looks super nice. Try to get up close here. A little bit of wear around the shifter. Overall, this is a gorgeous interior though. You can see the kind of foam underneath is frail and falling apart. Just kind of going through those. Those are all perfect. A little slot here works next to the radio. Those vents look good. Same here. Very nice. Okay, looking at this panel, that upper section looks amazing. Getting up close, nice and clean. Buttons look perfect. I don't see a single flaw on that. That really looks brand new. Very, very nice. Typical little scuffs on that. The jam looks good. Nice and clean. Looking at that bolster, looks amazing. A little bit of discoloration right here. Depending on the lighting, that makes it kind of look bad there, but in person, it was just very subtle. That leather is hard though. This is a little bit softer. That's pretty soft. Definitely not as plush as you would think. This is definitely a little tougher, but it's in great condition. That side looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. Beautiful floor mats. Looking at the dash, I don't see any cracks or anything over here. Making our way across the middle, looks good. Upper section, I do see some warping up here. Let's see if I can't show you. It's very subtle though. Here on the top, visors look good. I know it's kind of hard to see back here. Those seats look really nice. This thing is in phenomenal condition. Like I said, probably one of the cleanest I've seen. Okay, the struts are holding it up, but just barely. So a little bit of wind that will come shutting down on you. But looking at the carpet, looks amazing. Got this protector in here. All of that looks good. Nice and clean. Underside looks really nice. Weather stripping looks good. Don't see any tears. I know I'm going kind of quick, but no rips or tears on that weather stripping. Beautiful. And then it also has a Porsche car cover. Okay, let's look at the engine bay. I'm just gonna scan through all of this. Of course, we have a ton of photos, high-res photos on the website that you can probably zoom in a little bit more, but I'll try to go slow so you can kind of see all the details. Do not see a date code on that battery. Underside looks good.